morning is about the matter on the ground, about a video that Ebony did few days ago. That's the main reason of coming on live today. I'm not here to condemn Ebony. Hello, Domo. Domo. Yeah, I'm on live video. All right. You know, I'm not here to talk to Ebony because if you look at the situation, like the way I titled this my life, I say some commenters are evil. They are wicked, for real. Some people dropping comments. I don't know if it's because of their depression or they'll just go to any platform and drop comments anyhow. You understand? Sometimes be mindful of the way you drop comments on people's video, pictures, anything. It's very, very important. Be mindful because something that you drop on someone's video can hurt that person, can even push that person to say or do things that she's not supposed to do, you know? So the reason why I come out this morning, it seems like I wanted to title it, like, why every Edo presenter put their head in one basket. But later I said, no, this is not all about Edo presenter, but all about the commenters, not really the presenter. Even if I know some of the presenter, they didn't treat this issue very well. Ebony is our sister. So like Sandra is also our sister. She's a sister to us, and Ebony is our sister. So I cannot say now that Ebony was referring to Sandra. I will never say that Ebony was referring to Sandra. I can't say that 100%. So let's look at it this way, all right? We're going to look at it in another way. Someone was celebrating her birthday. You did not contribute a dime. You went to her page and said that, now so birthday they celebrate every year. That was rude and wrong. You know, there are some things that the African people, I'm not going to say Nigeria, black people don't see as anything. They don't see it important. But it's really, really important to the white. You understand? It's something that is important. Celebration of a birthday is an important thing that so many people don't even know. It's worth celebrating. When you make another year, it's worth celebrating. People who died today, there are some rich people that died yesterday, today, or before. They don't have the opportunity to celebrate today. Trust me, if they have the opportunity to be celebrating their birthday every year, they will be happy. They will be happy. Celebration of birthday is one of the best things so far in a human life, but we don't even know. When we see people celebrating their birthday, we say that, hey, this one is also birthday they celebrate. Where's the investment? Hello? Hello? Excuse me, guys. I'm coming. Excuse me. Birthday worth celebrating every year. If you don't know, let me tell you, my lights keep switching off. I don't know why. Please manage with me. Birthday worth celebrating every year. Some people do not know the meaning of celebrating their birthday. If you don't enjoy your life, someone else do. If you are living a saddest life, someone else is living a happy life, and she have reasons to celebrate. Every day, every year when you make another year, it worth celebrating, people. Because some people will just come on your live screen, or they will come to your page or the video you drop there, they will just leave a negative comment. It's totally wrong. It's wrong. Assuming our sister Sandoka did not show off her house, this person will not go to Ebony page and say that, what's your investment? People are showing their investment. You are busy celebrating your birthday every year. Are you serious? Are you for real? These two things are worth celebrating. And when there is no life, how can you have an investment? Because you have a life, that is why you can plan for an investment. Because you are not sick, that is why you can make a move and know that you need a house, you need a car, you need every other thing in life. But in life, there is one thing over everything in this life, is life. Life is over everything. Life. There is no competition in this life. Do not compete with anybody. Don't compete don't compete yourself with any other person. You don't even know if they are okay, they are happy with themselves. Because there are so many people that is not happy with themselves. You must know this. Life is important. Life over everything. Even if you are an owner of 100 building, if you don't have a life, if you are not okay with yourself, forget about it. It's good to own a house. It's good to have a house. It's good to build a house, but celebrate with those that is also celebrating their birthday also. It's an important thing. Today, some of us cry that we lost a loved member in our family. Today, we cry because maybe someone you love so much, dear to you, died. You see, if that person could have been alive to celebrate his he or she birthday every year, it's a good thing. Life over everything. Life is over a house. Life is over a mansion. Life is over anything. Money in this life. Life comes first. Some people even have money, but they are sick. They cannot buy life. Have you guys, there was a video that go viral, if I'm not mistaken, this should be 2 years ago, of a lady who was supposed to live few days. She's rich, she's a model, she owns cars, she owns house, she have all the expensive dresses, she have all the expensive shoes. She said all are vanity. She said, my expensive shoe cannot save me now. My expensive dress cannot save me now. My expensive house cannot. I have the latest vehicle now. They can't save me because she have cancer. She have cancer. She have everything. All those things cannot save her. She made that video a day before she died, because the doctor already tell her that you are going to die today, tomorrow. So she made that video a day before her death. Life worth celebrating. Do not compare your life with anybody in this life. Please, if this video is making sense to you, please share this live broadcast. Please, it's not saga. It's just to educate others out there. We need to educate ourselves. Sometimes there are some certain things we look like we think that is not important, but it's actually important. If you yourself watching me right now, if you can value your life, if you can wish to see next year, you wish to see another year again your life, why can't someone else celebrate a birthday? It was celebrating. Sometimes we as a mother, it's not like we forget our birthday, but because we are mothers, we celebrate our children's birthday. So we actually keep our birthday aside because we feel that it's too much, it's too expensive. Okay, let me just use it to celebrate my child's birthday. Please give this video a thumbs up. Give me a like a video. Give me a like and love if you like it. No, for real, it's just the truth. It's the truth. Life over everything. Life is over everything. Trust me. It's over everything. Some people don't understand. They don't understand the meaning of celebration of a birthday. You come to someone's platform and tell the person, where is your investment? You have nothing to show off. The only thing you do is to celebrate birthday every year. Some people have money. They can't even buy life. Some people are so rich. But when it's time to go, they must go. When it's time to go, they must go. They can't buy life. Have you seen anyone that buy life before? Be mindful of the way you write. Sometimes some people feel it's fun. You just go to someone's platform, you just drop a bad comment like all because of hatred, jealousy. All because of hatred and jealousy. All because of hatred and jealousy. Because you don't like this person. If you don't like what that person is doing, take a walk. Facebook, you have many options. It's either you unlike that person, you unfollow that person, you block that person. You have so many options. You don't have to be watching somebody at the same time hating on that person. Take a walk. Life is over everything. That girl, she might not be referring to Sandra. She might just be, maybe because the way she was angry, the way that person dropped that comment, like there's nothing to show off. So it gets her upset that she has to say things that she was not even supposed to say. Fine. But we shouldn't put our head in one basket and condemn her like as if that she had done something so wrong, like so bad. No. What about the person who went to her page and said rubbish? Our Edo Live video presenter, you guys need to sit down. Not because a video will just pop up on Facebook, everybody want to talk about it. Before you on your camera and talk about something, think about it. Think about this. Be sure of what to say. Don't just come and run like, oh, okay, you don't say this to her. Okay, you are envious of this girl. You are envious of Sandoka. You are trying to create an enmity between these two people. I'm sure Sandra is on Facebook. She has been seeing and hearing what is going on for the past days. You are trying to create enmity between these two people. You guys are trying to tell Sandra that Ebony is not happy for her because she owns a house. Let me tell you, don't compete. We ain't competing with nobody. Don't compete your life with anybody. There is, in life, overtaking is allowed. When you see people happy for them, okay? These two things worth celebrating. Building a house, celebration of a birthday is both important thing in life. So why will you go tell someone, that's so birthday you celebrate, what's your investment? Are you for real? To me, it's wrong, it's rude. You shouldn't do that. If your life is important to you too, don't go tell somebody, hey, you celebrate, you don't get anything to show off. Are you serious? Thank you very much. You understand? Are you serious? So our sister Ebony, she's our sister, she's our Edo actress. Sandra is our Edo actress as well. Sometimes you commenters, so when they drop bad negative comments on person video, you guys don't even know that the thing you guys did to someone, it hurts so much. You people should stop this. Don't create problem between Sandra and Ebony. Live video presenter, please, before you will present or analyze any video, be mindful of what you're going to say. Be careful. Don't, because of hate and hatred, you guys go just say, she's not happy. No, the both is worth celebrating. The person who went to Ebony video and said that it's only birthday, even Europe here where all of us they live, those that live in America, those that live in Canada, Europe here, how many Oyibo they build us? Some of them except we get us, some of them maybe not their father, their mother, now get the ass. How many? Many of them also live on rent. They don't care. But when it comes to their birthday, they don't joke with it. They celebrate their birthday. Birthday worth celebrating. Maybe you can just say like birthday. You don't even think about like I make another year. It's not easy. Oh. Many people died yesterday. Many died this morning. Many died, and I make another beautiful year. It's a good thing that you make another beautiful year. Africa people don't know this. When they see you celebrating your birthday, they want to attack you. They want to tell you, you don't have no achievement. Let me tell you, even if you build the house from Germany to Africa, if you die, people will misuse those property that you suffered for. So building a house is good, but at the same time, when you see people celebrating their birthday, join them to celebrate as well. It's a good thing. It's worth telling somebody congratulations. It's worth telling somebody congratulations, you make another beautiful year. Don't go and tell somebody, see your mate, they build us. See your mate is buying car. What have you buy? What have you achieved? Life is not a competition, my dear. Life is not a competition. You being in this life, you breathing alone is worth celebrating. You talking is worth celebrating. So many people died yesterday. With all the money TB Joshua had, he died. He died. And someone will come to you and say, why you will celebrate? You don't have nothing to show off. That is very, very mean. I expected some of the live video presenters to come after those comments. And like, why you people keep dropping negative comment on people's video? And all of you just attack on Ebony. Ebony, Ebony this, Ebony that. Come on, stop the hate. It's not nice. Please like this page. It's a new page, okay? My old page got problems and Facebook said they are still working on it. So this is a new page. Please like and follow and turn on the notification bell. And you can also share if you like this video. Life is no competition. Even if you build today, the other one build tomorrow. It's not me. You understand? So you guys should stop this hate and hatred you have for Ebony. You understand? If you like me, Ebony, they make money to celebrate a birthday every year. It's a good thing. Birthday worth celebrating. Being in this life is a good thing. Do not compare your life with anybody. Today I build. Tomorrow can be your turn. Today I bella. Tomorrow will be your turn. This is life. This is how me see life. And if you people, other people see life like that, easy. Many people have been on Europe for 20 years, 30 years. They don't even have house in Africa. They don't have house. Some people now that come after Ebony now attack here, they never even buy land. You understand? A lot of people in this Europe that they don't even have property. But you go on live, you go on somebody's live stream and say, what's your investment? Car is not an investment. Building a house is a good thing, but it's not an investment, my dear. Let me tell you. You go to someone's page and ask the person, what's your investment? To build a house or even buying a car is not an investment. Because that is what Nigeria know as an investment. That is why you see Nigeria is still the same place where they are. They will never move. You see a Nigeria celebrating. You, instead of them to own a company, they will invest it in buying a very big car. When that car, a car you bought, when you bought 50 million today, if that car break down tomorrow or you have accident, you will not even make 5 million in selling that car in Tokubo. A car you bought 50 million. If that car, something happened to that car, you will not even make 5 million in selling that car in second hand. Think, people, before you go to other people's platform and abuse them. The fact that Ebony is a celebrity does not mean that she cannot say something when people get on her neck. She's a human like me and you. And she have right to speak if she's not happy about the comments you drop on her video. I love Sandoka very much. I've said it before. The love that I have for Sandoka is like 20 years now. That a movie, the one she celebrated that time, is like 20 years now, the love I have for that woman. But the truth is that, my dear Sandoka, forget about what those people are saying. Don't let anybody drag you into problem with anyone. They're your lane because our people like trouble. They just want to see you guys fight so that they will see something to talk about, something to share, something to say this, that. It's not nice. Use your platform for good thing. Use your platform to encourage people. Use your platform to say something nice. Do not use your platform as a trouble. Everything, this both thing, the birthday, the house, everything worth celebrating. Don't go to people's platform and tell them that why are you celebrating your birthday every year? You don't have no achievement. There's nothing to show off. You don't even know. Do you think it's everybody that want to show their property on social media? You really think so? You really think everybody want to show their property on social media? She might be working on it. She might be working on it. She's not through with it yet. That girl, that blogger, Blessing, who went to take picture with another person's house, the one they cut on Instagram. You see, because of the embarrassment and everything, she worked very hard to make sure she also gets her own property. Even because of the show, she could not even wait to paint the house, to finish the renovation of the house. She could still bring her come out. It's a good thing, it's okay. There are just people like that who like to show off. There are people like that, like, it's not even show off. They are happy. They are rejoicing over what they did. They want to show it to the people, to their fans, to their loved ones. There are still people like that too. So you guys should stop this hate and hatred. Don't cause problem between what's it called? Sandoka. Don't cause problem between Sandoka and Ebony. Whether Ebony wish Sandoka congratulations or not, Sandoka don't build the house, he don't build that. And she go build trainer. And whether you wish Ebony happy birthday or not, it no go ever make the girl drop down. It's a good thing. Excuse me, guys. Let me drink something. This cola tastes good. Then it's finished. You understand? Let's start to rejoice. Rejoice. Be happy with those that is happy. Rejoice with the people that is rejoicing. What is all this? Somebody will just come to someone platform. You want to push the person. Push sharp. You guys are not giving me love and like. It's not fair. You are watching me. You don't have to pay for it. Give me the video a thumbs up. You understand? It's not nice. This life, competition, do not compete your life with no one. You understand? You competing your life with someone is like chasing your own shadow. You can never catch your shadow. Competing your life with someone else is like chasing your own shadow. You don't compete your life, because in this life, God created us in a different way. We all have different style. That is why you see me. I don't envious of a friend. I will never in my life jealous of a friend. People that jealous each other, they don't know rich like they worry them. Don't jealous on no one. And do not hate on no one at the same time. But when someone did something wrong, you have right to speak if you don't like it. So jealousy on someone is very, very bad. And do not chase shadow. Do not chase your life with anybody. Even if it takes you 10 years to own your own ass. Your ass now your ass. After all, where you there, you are the one paying your bills. And if the other person can build their own ass today, we never hear that parable where Noka Bowa. Yeah, I said, don't hear. You get me until they make that parable for beneath that I don't forget to. May not come lie. You understand? So anytime now everybody still bring our own ask, people will still congratulate her. It's normal. So you guys dropping negative and bad comments in people's videos, stop it. Stop them. It's not good. Stop them. From jealousy, you can enter hatred. A friend that jealous you, from jealousy na hatred. And when you don't enter hatred, that kind of person, if you don't run from them, they can kill you. They can kill you. You just surprised. Now that person that went to drop that bad comment, that negative comment on Ebony video, he know her. That's what they do. They say that person wey no man, they kill man. You're surprised now the person know her more, because it's hard for someone who don't know you. We go and drop that kind of comment that you don't even have no achievement, you don't even have nothing to show off. Now only birthday they celebrate. It will be difficult for someone who don't know you to drop such comment. It's those that know you. Those that know you, they will hide other fake accounts to bully you. You will bully somebody on that fake account. But don't forget, God sees you. Your own punishment is also coming for you. Things that you do for darkness, when your own punishment will come for you, it will come in the light, where everybody will see, they will mock you and laugh at you. You are telling a celebrity, someone who is making money, you are telling her, now you won't tell her how to build us or buy a car. You are telling her that she don't have nothing to show off. A celebrity. She's a celebrity. She act movies. Everything to build the house is not a one-day job. Now, small, you go reach there. If you don't have today, you get tomorrow. All you need to do is to make a provision for it. So celebration of a birthday is something that is also important. If you guys don't know, let me tell you. And my message to the live video presenters, you guys should stop putting your head in one basket. If something happen, reason I go this side, reason I go this side. Don't forget, that person went to mock Ebony on her live stream. That person purposely did it because Sadoka also post her house. Because of Sadoka, I still go mock Ebony. So when Ebony can't reply, it can't be like, say, she dey refer to Sandra. If you look at it in another way, it's possible she wasn't referring to Sandra. It's very possible. Even if whether he have Sandra, they're in a good taste or they are not. These both women are great women. They are great Edo actress. Even if they are two self get problem, we as the live video presenter, as the analyzer, we are supposed to use that video to analyze that matter. Go dey good, not to the pour fire, kerosene, add Maggie, add everything, joiner. So they bring more problem between them. Is not nice. Both things are worth celebrating. Life is over everything. Your life is over a house. You living today, you breathing, you talking. It's over a house, it's over a car, it's over money. Some people that has money, they are looking for this life, they don't even have it. They don't have it. Look at the rich man that died yesterday, today. This shows to you that even when you have the money, when it's time to go, you cannot pay for it. God give, God take. And when someone make every year, it worth celebrating. It worth telling the people congratulations for another beautiful year. It worth it if you guys don't know what it means to celebrate birthday. Birthday is an important thing. Birthday is an investment also. Living, breathing. Go to somebody's platform and say that was investment. Nothing to show off. Celebration of birthday every year. You know what it means to live. You know what it means to be alive. Oh, how come I'm not seeing that people like this video? Thank you very much. I'm just seeing it now. Eh? Oh, I'm not seeing comment. Oh, yeah. Oh. No wonder when they complain, she said they know the drug comments. There's a comment on the video. Oh my God. I did not see it. Oh. Sorry, guys. Yes, mother. Thank you for saying that. Oh, thank you very much, Bella. God bless you. Thank you for your comment. Mama, good morning. Thank you. Koistalamogo. Thank you very much. I did not even know. Sorry, guys. Please share the live broadcast. Please share it, share it, share it. It costs you nothing to share. Eh? Sorry, I didn't see the comment. I'm just seeing it now. You understand? It was celebrating. Thank you. I'm just seeing it now. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I did not see it on my phone, the one I'm using, but I just saw it now. Thanks for liking. Please share this live broadcast. So let us stop putting our Edo live video presenter. Edo live video. Oh, please. This is a new page of my old page. I got a little problem with Facebook because I shared the video I wasn't supposed to share. So they said they are working on it. I just hope everything will be fine at the end of the day. So I'm using this new one now for the moment, okay? Edo live video presenter. I use go beg una because many of una dey like unu no kegbo. Unu no kegbo why sonoro me. I'm telling you. If una you see matter instead of una to calm down, aga gwa no kata. No can analyze. No can no be you fair carry matter go court, not be the way. No be you fair judge the matter. No be you fair analyze video. No be talk wetin real sub. Or no be get sense pass. You guys have to be careful. Be patient. Take it two ways. Two ways. How can somebody go there for life? They do a thing. Another person go, you go there, go throw store, go meet her. Yeah, you think that person will be happy? The person will never be happy. That person will never be happy. It go come be like says now somebody that send and come. I understand Ebony very well, but Ebony don't forget. Sandra, she's a boss. Sandra can never send nobody to abuse, even if I don't know if you guys have issues. She will not do that. Now, just some of our people. People where do and people where they Europe here, my sister, me not mad them. Now so that they do depression, they worry some of them. Now you don't know them. Depression, they worry some of them for inside. Hatred. I don't know how somebody, you don't know this person before, the person don't know you before, you are not friends with this person, you just carry the person matter put for head. It's very, very, very bad. So my darling people, life worth celebrating. There is no competition in this life. If you are competing with somebody, you are just delaying. You are wasting your precious time. If you want to compete with somebody in this life, you are... See, let me tell you, you build us, you not build us for this life. You build us, you not build us for this life where you come. So even if you don't build us, but if you last long for this life, it's something to celebrate. Even if you have no ass, but if you last long for this life, it's something to celebrate. So congratulations to our sister who owned the house. She did well for herself, to be honest. Because when you look at the area where she's coming from in life, but at the same time, you guys should stop bullying Ebony. Why Ebony and Sandra, they are great Edo actress. You guys should stop bringing this problem so that I not cause problem between the two of them. Life worth celebrating. Birthday is an important thing to celebrate too. Many of you don't know that it's good to celebrate. Even if you don't do party, just buy Coke, champagne, or whatever you drink. Sit down, all candles, celebrate, pray for yourself. Pray for yourself. Thank God for giving you another chance again, another life, another year again to live. Many people have money, they cannot buy this. So don't go to people's platform and say that now only birthday they celebrate every year. You don't get no achievement. Are you crazy? It's totally wrong. It's not fair at all. You don't do that. And then most of adult presenters don't even see anything wrong with that. Nobody is even talking to that person who drop a negative comment. That person is an evil person. You don't do like that. You go to someone's platform and say, if that person celebrate birthday every year, you know what to me? God, that is my prayer. God, let me celebrate my birthday every year. If God can just tell me, say, my daughter, I assure you, you will celebrate this birthday every year, go reach 100 years. You know what that means? You know what it means to celebrate birthday every year? You know what it means to tell God, thank you, I'm alive, I not die, I'm not sick, nothing do me. Sometimes we pray to God for a longer life. But when we see other people celebrating birthday, we say, One thing I hardly pass. One thing, even if I don't drop comments on your pictures, but one thing I hardly pass on my Facebook is when I see people celebrating birthday, I don't tell them happy birthday. That is one thing I hardly pass. Whether you are a child, you are adult. That is one thing I hardly pass. Even when I want to pass, I don't want to be, maybe I don't want to say this person happy birthday because the person too not a drop comment for my video. My mind will tell me, say, don't pay evil with evil. That alone, you have also blessed yourself. You have also wished yourself good by wishing other. You have also used your own, because sometimes we don't know how to win the heart of God. Sometimes we don't know the little things we do. It pleases God. When some other people will see that life is better for you, that problem hardly come your way, they go say, you get one person where they do juju for her. Some little things you do please God. There are some little things that you do that pleases heaven. There are some little things that you don't know. You don't need to pay God money. God give us life and give us everything. You don't need to go and carry a build house or build church for you to be a... There are some little things you do that pleases God. Read your Bible very well, bridges. Read your Bible very well. You will see that even things that you don't know that will please, it will please God. Because you know why? Not paying evil with evil, oh God, is the greatest thing ever. If people pay you with evil, leave them. Pray for them. Even if you curse and say, God, except this thing was like this. If it's not like this, go and fight my battle. You will see how God will fight your battle. In a short time, God will be fighting your battle. Your enemy. Now they go, they cry. They go, they see you, they go, they cry, because they will never be well from their sickness. But when you want to